Well, guys, we're going to Cajon Creek. We're gonna go look for gold. This is our setup right here. Today is gold day. There's my brother's new sluice box. Okay. Gonna take the Range Rover over there.
Perfect.
Check it out. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna be going to Cajon Creek to a hidden location. Not really, I'll show you where it's at. Anyways, yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today, looking for gold. And I'll film it. I'll film even the tiniest pieces we find, I'll film it. So hopefully we find some gold today. But yeah, my brother's new. I'll show you once I get it set up. Alright, once he gets it set up. It's a gold hog. It's called a gold hog. He's gonna try that out today. But this is all the stuff you need. 2 shovels. I broke the last one. Buckets. This is my side right here. It's just a bazooka sluice box, but it's a homemade one. Does the same thing. And there's my brother's old box down there. But yeah, gonna be driving this, my Range Rover. The Beamer's gonna sit here today. It's looking dirty anyways. Huh? Pretty cool. Gold hog. That's supposed to go underneath of it though, huh? They said the bolt goes through that matting. Yep. Setup. Well guys, we're at the Cajon Creek. Getting ready to hopefully find some gold. This is where I'm set up. There's not a lot of water, but plenty of water for me. Look at that. Oh yucks. Water almost went in my boot. But this is how it's set up. So let me give you an idea. I throw the dirt right here. It slides down here, goes in there, and that's like a classifier. Little screen. See the screen? Gold is what? 30 times heavier than water or something like that. I don't even know. But anyways, it falls in the bottom of this box where those red tubes are. The red tubes have holes in them, and the red tubes create a fluid bed. That's like an actual box underneath all that. There's a plexiglass right here. There's plexiglass. So what happens, the dirt falls in here, the dirt flows out of the lights. All the light material comes out of this little gap right here. And the heavies fall to the very bottom of the box, which is the gold. But I'll give you an idea once I get this all set up. But yeah, this is Cajon Creek. check my truck. Well, there's the hole. That's the hole I was digging. Let me show you. Check it out. There's the hole I was digging. Well, let me show you Cajon Creek. The water's not very deep here. Check it out. See, this is it's very shallow. You can see, look at my boot. It's not deep at all. So basically this runs up all the way into those mountains way up there. And somewhere the water is washing the gold out of the hills, but this goes way back there. And you can see people digging all throughout here. But the water must have been, sorry, the helicopter is coming by. Helicopter. Anyways, the water must have been flowing pretty good for all this to get matted down like that. See that? The 15 freeway's up there. I don't know if you could see it, but that's a 15 freeway. See it way up there. So this is where supposedly the gold is. Supposedly. There's a couple guys digging here. My brother is trying to find some gold in his new box. Here's my box. There's my hole. There's my box. There's a helicopter. But the way this works is you shovel dirt from there, you put it in this box, it slides down here, slides up this ramp, I'll show you, supposedly like that, and goes out, and the gold sticks in this box. My brother's new box is right here. It's the gold hog. And the gold sticks is supposed to stick inside those mattings right there. See how that rock slides out there? But there's grooves right there, and that's where all the gold sticks. See that? Let's see if we can see anything. It's probably going to be underneath that black sand. Yeah. Alright. Let's go check my truck. Make sure it's still there. So this is where the water flows to. Comes all the way down here. Goes all the way over here. Into the, oh yeah, my truck's over there. So yeah, that's how you look for gold. I'm only finding little tiny specks right now. But you never know until you do a clean out. That's one piece of gold. Let's see.
I think that guy?
Yeah. There's one piece of gold right there. Yeah, he has a claim somewhere. Little tiny piece of gold. So now I gotta keep going. Let's see. We gotta shake it. Sorry, it's so shaky. And I gotta put in the water. This is how you pan for gold. More in the middle. Let me get this in the middle. Sorry for the shakiness. Until you see that shiny stuff. There's one. There's two. Where's that big piece at? There it is. You see it? It's right there. There's a couple of them. If you tap on this, they go to the top. Look at that. There it is. Can you see it? Let me get my sucker bottle. Let's get the sucker bottle. Suck it up. Let's see if there's any more. Yep, that's it. Well, that concludes our gold hunting for today. There's a little piece, but I'll let it go back to grow. And that's how you gold hunt. That's how you look for gold. It's a lot of work for tiny, tiny pieces. Now it's cleanup time.